Hi, I'm Holly and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Market Movers Show, where we take you through the trending ASX listed stocks that are on the gainers trajectory every day. But before I share the updates on the top gainers of the day, let's have a look at the overall market updates. The ASX 200 traded higher on Friday, supported by gains made by the mining stocks amid rising commodity prices. The gold stocks led the index rise, even as tech and healthcare stocks capped the gains. Heavyweight miners were the top percentage gainers, advancing 1%. Iron ore mining giants BHP Group added as much as 0.8%, and Rio Tinto added as much as 0.6%, making their fourth consecutive gain session. Benchmark iron ore futures surged about 7% on Thursday after a 5-day Labor Day holiday on demand prospects, and copper jumped 1.4%, extended gains from the previous session's 10-year peak. And the banks traded flat. Appen Ltd, Silver Lake Resources and News Corp were some of the top gainers so far in the day. Here are the top 5 ASX gainers of today. The technology stock Appen Ltd rose nearly 9% to the day's high of $12.66. The stock has gained after Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison on Thursday unveiled a $1.2 billion digital spending package that would be part of next week's budget, including $124 million for AI research and grants. On Thursday, the shares of artificial intelligence dataset annotation fell following the release of presentation materials for the Macquarie Australia conference. By the end of the session, Appen Ltd share price had fallen 21.1% to $11.63. The mining stock Silver Lake Resources Ltd surged over 6.5% to today's high of 1.92. The gold stock prices soared as the weaker US dollar propelled the precious metal, an inflation hedge above the key $1,800 an ounce for the first time in the last 10 weeks. The US gold futures closed 1.8% higher at $1,815.70 per ounce. The gold stock Ramelius Resources Ltd soared just nearly 6% to 1.82 Australian. The gold mine has gained tracking cues from an overnight jump in bullion prices. A weaker dollar and easing Treasury yields propelled the safe haven metal over the key $1,800 psychological level. Australian gold sub-index AXGD jumped as much as 3.2% on Friday, its highest since the 28th of April. Meanwhile, AXGD has declined 5.7% this year as of last close, compared to a 7.2% rise in the benchmark AXJO. The gold producer Gold Road Resources Ltd rose just over 5% to the day's high of $1.36. The major gold stocks have been in focus ever since global brokerage JP Morgan said that it believed the gold sector continued to present good value on NPV basis. Its key picks included major gold stocks, including Gold Road. The latest surge in yellow metals prices have further helped the stock. The financial stock News Corporation soared just over 4.5% to the intraday high of $32.14. The stock rose after the company released its third quarter results. News Corp recorded EBITDA of $298 million, up from the previous year's $242 million. The revenue was 3% higher than the third quarter of 2020. Its net income was $96 million compared to a net loss of $1 billion in the previous corresponding period. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned for more live updates on Kalkine TV across economy, markets and sectors. We'll be back in a while with our next live show, The Penny Picks.